Hi everyone. So in this series, this is my first series, and I'll brief you about me. My name is Amit. I'm from India, and I've been developing in Bubble since 2021. I think I started in January 2021. That's my Bubble's birthday date, and I think I got first client in 2022. That's where I started building in Bubble and since then developing in Bubble. But here this is my series of how to clone smart sheets, probably like Airtable and Baserow. We have taken inspiration from them, so quite of components and probably reusable elements, probably drop downs, you can say, be similar. And we'd say we'll try to innovate a little. We'll try to change the UI, we'll try to change the workflows, and probably we'll try to enhance little functionality also in terms of, I would say, designs, in terms of functionality, I would say formulas and everything, but we'll build slowly and gradually. So let's get started today. And this is, I think, the very first part where I'll show you how to sign up, how to build sign up. Exactly, not how to build a sign up page. I'll only show you. I have already built an up and login page. That's you find in other YouTube tutorials for many developers in terms to create same videos where you already have in the market. But this is something which I think is new and relevant to probably uh, anyways, that's not me who can decide you like or what you not. So just let me know if you like my work. And I've never thought about that I'm going to say it, but yes, if you like it, please subscribe me and press the bell icon also if you like the video. So let's get started. So today, this is the sign up page I've created. And by the way, I would like to share that with every, if you running a business, if you have a business email, you want to get started with Bubble, just share me your email, your contact, and I'll share this UI sign up and in with you. It's free of cost, but there's only one condition that you must have a business email address with you. Okay, so this is a sign up page, and you'll click here. This is a login page, so everything is here. I'll just show you how to set up the workflows. First, I have not added any password functionality for the toggle. So let's get started. Here, this is the group heading, and that's how we build it. This is the group auth. This is a sign up group. This is a login group. And first, let's design a password functionality. How to view it, and I would install, say, uh, password. That's reveal and hide password. It's by Zeroqode. That's top bubble agency. So I've downloaded it. Now, if you see, is reveal. Yep, reveal. You just simply upload anywhere in the page, and then you have to give an attribute. So I think firstly, like my HTML is check mark or not. By the way, if you find my videos a bit slow or anything, I'm not explaining with much clarity. I am really sorry because this is my first time. Just bear with me, and hopefully, as the video progresses or probably as the series goes, I'll also able to calm my nerves a bit. So yeah, so this is the general expose the option to add an ID attribute to HTML elements. Let's make sure that it's checked. Mine is checked. Now what I'll do, there's an input element. I'll just click on it, and there's an ID attribute. I've already typed it. That's pass 89546. I'll just copy paste, and I'll just click this icon and add a workflow. Simply say toggle or reveal an ID. I already have it. I'll just copy it. But I don't think so this will work because I need to set other workflows also. Okay, so this is something interesting. We are having some temporary technical difficulty right now. We no problem as fast as we can. Oh no. Let's copy this code and paste it just to keep safe. Actually, just use this one.